Check this out. Oh, I forgot, time check is 8:15 in the evening. Monday 1st of August 2022. Goodness knows what these maniacs are up to now. Right, that's the view of that sprayer we just saw first. Look at that. Look at how solid that is. I don't know if you can make out the formation above. This thing here goes right across. What's that about? That's a real dense cover they put up here now. And like I say, it's gone 8:15 in the evening. You can see it's sunset. What is going on? And we've had loads of planes coming across. He's probably going to Gatwick. I don't know why he kept flashing in and out.